So yun, welcome to another episode of When Liam
Travels
wala. Wala. So, nasan tayo ngayon?
We are in the City of Smiles, Bacolod.
Bacolod. So, first order of the day would be eating at
Mascara Chicken.
So, samahan nyo kami. So, nandito kami ngayon sa
Mascara Chicken.
Alright, let's try their chicken in the sun. Alright, recommended ng aming kaibigan na si Tito.
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Alright.
He's a happy boy. He always laughs. He always smiles.
There's not been one time that I look.
Nakakatuwa naman yung happiness.
So what did you guys get?
Paa.
I got pichon.
What else?
Sizzling squid. And
Are you
I
looking
actually
for?
got in, ano yun? Isaw.
Are you looking forward for it?
As long as it doesn't have food.
I don't know how to eat that.
Alright. Sizzling.
Sizzling squid.
Yes. What's that?
Chicken in a sun. This is the paa.
Mga ano na lang.
That's both toyo calamansi.
And suka.
Teka nun. Yay! Wow. Other prize. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
What's that? Isaw and patikolon.
Is this the pa?
How's it? Ano lasa?
It has like burnt edges and calamansi flavor.
Sarap. Try.
That was a good bite. That one I did.
Toasty. So yung ano, authentic chicken inasal. First time namin na try. Actually second time pala kasi yung first time dinala namin ng kaibigan namin. First time here in Bacolod. Hindi masyadong makulay yung chicken pero malasa, tapos hindi siya malansa. Maputi yung chicken kaya alam mo na bago siya. Namit gid. Malambot, very tender.
The burnt edges are the best bite.
Rap.
So try naman natin tong ni-recommend ni Kuya na sizzling squid nila. Ano kaya ang lasa? So makita pa lang natin meron siyang mga onions. Okay. Siguro niluto to sa chicken oil. Baka yun yung difference. Try natin.
Speechless.
Totoo nga. So, malalasama yung chicken oil na nagbe-blend well dun sa squid. Sarap. Tama, Kuya. Simple lang siya pero masarap.
This is my second time trying isaw.
Good.
It's pretty good. Ikaw naman.
Oh my gosh.
From the camera there.
I'm good.
Try it. Try it.
Mahaba pa yun.
You have to.
Okay. Hindi siya napuputol. I-try natin. So, second time ni Liam. Sorry po, this is my first time. pretty good.
Malapit. Hindi siya lasang isaw. Konti lang.
Crunchy
Crunchy.
na roast
Yeah.
yung flavor. Siguro natatakot lang ako kasi alam ko kung ano siya. Pero kung hindi mo isip kung ano siya, very flavorful.
Tell the story about who was it cooking isaw again? Trying this thing,
Called
batikulon.
Reticulum.
It's probably gonna be gamey, but
Galing mo na. I'm proud of you.
very good.
You have to bite it, I think.
It's hard, but it tastes a lot like calamansi.
Calamansi. It's chewy.
It's hard. It's like cartilage.
Ganon siya. Parang cartilage. Wow, amazing. Kasi sarap po. Ako po yung napagbawalang kumain ng mga ganitong bagay. Kaya hindi ko po natitikman sa buong buhay ko.
Di kaya.
Parang nga siyang cartilage na may konting smoky
Ay
flavor.
nako, you're not eating cartilage kasi.
So yun, we enjoyed our time here at Mascara. Anong mga food na na-enjoy nyo? Family?
The inasal and the gizzard thingy. And
Sarap din yung ano,
the
sizzling
isa-
squid.
and the
Kakaiba.
sizzling squid and the isaw.
Simple lang yung food pero masarap.
And
Fresh.
and the 7-Up.
Yun,
Tapos,
Yun yung
very
mahalaga.
reasonably priced.
Yes. So,
Sa dami nung kinain namin, 800 pesos only.
i-invite namin kayo kumain kayo dito. Pag nasa Bacolod kayo, kain kayo dito sa Mascara Chicken and Asal.
Hanggang sa susunod na episode ng Wendian Travels to Bacolod.
We go to zoo now.